Welcome to the wild world of AI-powered video editing, where creativity knows no bounds. Today, we're going to unleash the animal lover in you and show you how to bring your furry friends to life like never before. Step into the digital jungle with us as we explore the wonders of AI software. Our top pick, Adobe Premiere Pro paired with the enchanting Magic Mask tool. This dynamic duo will transform your ordinary animal footage into a mesmerizing masterpiece. Picture this: your favorite animal gracefully gliding across the screen, adorned with a radiant halo and ethereal glow. With the Magic Mask tool, you can sprinkle some magic dust and watch as your animal sprouts majestic wings, ready to soar into the digital skies. But wait, there's more. Dive deeper into the realm of AI creativity as the Magic Mask tool conjures up lifelike 3D models of your beloved creature. Watch in awe as your animal dances across the screen in stunning 3D animation, defying gravity and capturing hearts. And the magic doesn't stop there. With a flick of a switch, transform your animal footage into captivating time-lapse videos, showcasing the beauty of nature in fast forward. Let AI work its enchantment as you sit back and marvel at the breathtaking results. Unleash your inner animal enthusiast and embark on a digital safari like never before. With AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. So, grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and let the wild adventures begin. Join us on this thrilling journey of AI-powered animal magic. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to dive into the wild side of video editing. Don't forget to subscribe for more mesmerizing content. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next digital escapade.